What we got here is actually a pink limo. It's a long pink limo. It's so long that Daddy had to zoom out. Dun, 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 dun. Where it's gonna park? Can you open this limo? Can you open this limo? Let's take a close look. Can the limo be open? No? Oh, you can open the top. Can you open the top again for your friends to see?
Not.
Wow, you can actually have some friends in that limo, huh?
No, it's way too big.
Yeah.
A limo.
Yeah.
A Hummer.
Hummer limo, huh?
Hummer limo.
Hummer limo. Wow, it's so pretty. What's next? Hey, how about this Ferrari?
No, how about this one?
Okay. It's another police car.
A police car.
Do, 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 do.
Red and white, black police car.
Now you got two police cars lining up, right? You got this police car and you got this police car, right?
Maybe change police cars. Maybe change this one.
Okay.
And I would put him on here.
Now, Smokey. Ooh, is he from Radiation Spring?
No, he's from the toy and pooping in the toy.
He parked next to the limo. And I know it's the blue Sally. Whoa, look at Sally.
He doesn't open the doors.
There's no doors that open for Sally. Well, what do we got here next?
No, that one.
Whoa, this is a Ferrari. Look, can you?
Ferrari.
Can you open up the Ferrari hood? Whoa, look at that details right there. That is impeccable details. See how it's look like a real engine right there from the far.